This is the Vantrue E1, and at first glance, it looks almost too small to take seriously. But after spending time with it on daily commutes, highway drives, and late-night trips, I found that this tiny dashcam punches way above its weight. The real question is, does its compact size mean compromises, or is this actually one of the best discrete dashcams you can buy? Stick around, because the answer might surprise you. Vantrue E1 Product Overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? The Vantrue E1 is an ultra-compact 2.5K dash camera designed for drivers who want high-quality video without a bulky device hanging from the windshield. It features a Sony STARVIS image sensor, built-in Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, voice control, and support for parking surveillance with an optional hardwire kit. Its biggest selling point is simple: premium image quality in one of the smallest dash cams on the market. It's aimed at commuters, rideshare drivers, road trippers, and anyone who wants reliable evidence in case of an accident without cluttering their windshield. Vantrue E1 Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? This is where the Vantrue E1 really shines. During daytime driving, footage is impressively sharp. License plates are generally readable at reasonable distances. Colors look natural, and the camera handles bright sunlight surprisingly well. Even driving directly toward the sun, exposure stays balanced, instead of blowing everything out. Night driving is often where small dash cams struggle. But thanks to the Sony STARVIS sensor, the E1 performs better than you'd expect. Street signs remain readable, headlights don't completely overwhelm the image, and overall detail stays respectable. The camera records in 2.5K resolution at up to 30 frames per second or 1440p at 60 frames per second, if you prefer smoother footage. Loop recording works flawlessly, automatically replacing older files when storage fills up. The built-in GPS accurately records speed and location, while the G sensor reliably locks important clips during sudden impacts. Features and tech. Let's talk about the features that actually make a difference. First is the Sony STARVIS sensor. That may sound like marketing jargon, but it significantly improves low-light performance. The result is clearer nighttime footage when it matters most. Next is built-in dual-band Wi-Fi. Instead of removing the memory card every time you want to review footage, you simply connect your phone through the Vantrue app, preview recordings, and download clips wirelessly. It's much more convenient than older dashcam systems. Another standout feature is voice control. Simple commands like taking a photo or locking the current recording mean you can keep both hands on the wheel instead of reaching for buttons while driving. There's also 24-hour parking mode, although you'll need the optional hardwire kit. Once installed, the camera can monitor your parked vehicle and automatically begin recording if it detects movement or an impact. That's especially valuable if you frequently park on busy streets or crowded parking lots. Design and build. Aesthetically, Vantrue absolutely nailed the design. The E1 is incredibly compact, small enough that once mounted behind your rearview mirror, you can almost forget it's there. That not only looks cleaner, but also reduces distractions while driving. Build quality feels solid, with durable plastics that don't feel cheap. The adjustable magnetic mount makes installation straightforward and allows easy angle adjustments without removing the entire mount. The small color display is bright enough for setup, although most users will probably manage the camera through the smartphone app after initial installation. Pros: excellent 2.5K video quality with strong nighttime performance. Smooth parking mode support with optional hardwire kit. Easy installation and dependable daily operation. Cons: no rear camera included in the base package. Wireless video transfers can be somewhat slow. Final verdict. So is the Vantrue E1 worth your hard-earned cash? I'd say yes, especially if you're looking for a premium compact dashcam that focuses on doing the fundamentals extremely well. If you're a daily commuter, rideshare driver, or someone who simply wants reliable protection on the road, without a giant camera blocking your windshield, this is an easy recommendation. The image quality is excellent, nighttime performance is genuinely impressive, and the combination of GPS, Wi-Fi, and voice control makes everyday use refreshingly simple. Now, if you're specifically looking for a complete front and rear camera system, straight out of the box, you may want to consider dual camera alternatives instead.